Okay. Let's lift this up. Put it right here, Isla.
Why do you put it there?
Make a solid foundation. So, Mags. Okay.
Whoa!
Presents under there.
What about that tag up there?
We'll take it off. We still have to put Christmas lights and the star on Isla. We can decorate it this week.
Can I have it? Daddy, this is the best day ever.
Yeah.
It's called Sham. I call it Sierra.
Hey, I'm Julie Blanner for the lifestyle website, julieblanner.com, where I share easy ideas for entertaining, home decor, and so much more. Today, we're going to do an episode of Decorate With Me. I'm taking you upstairs to the kids' rooms where kind of anything goes. And we are going to decorate them one by one for Christmas. It's a lot of fun to let kids decorate their own bedrooms, and our girls look forward to it year after year. We typically use things we already have, but as always, you can find anything that you're looking for in the description below, or comment and ask me, and I will be sure to get back with you. The girls just got home from school and we're excited to decorate their spaces. So that can go at the bottom, or do you want just enough to go drape along the top? I'd either drape it all the way down to the side of your dresser, like to where it's at the top of your dresser, or only at the top. Okay, so put that corner at the very top of your dresser. At the very top then. There you go. Just like that. Yep. And then it's crazy to work with, isn't it? You're doing great. You are rocking it. Perfect. Now we're getting ready to decorate Annie's room, and as with all of our home, if you kind of keep things simple to begin with a neutral color palette, a little Christmas decor really goes a long way.
such a big, big tree.
I know. Look at that, Bear. Go ahead.
Can I keep them on this like nightlight tonight?
Turn it on. Turn it on. Now look at it. Now look at it, Bear.
It's blinking. Turn my light off. My light. Whoa.
And now you can put the lights in them. It's pretty magical, huh?
Yeah.
And then we'll leave that black thing out and we'll tuck it behind. I know, they're tricky, aren't they? Master bedroom, I merely updated the artwork on our TV, which I know I should not have in the bedroom, especially according to my husband. He really doesn't enjoy falling asleep to it, but it helps me wind down. Anyways, and I added this beautiful Christmas tree that was in our living room last year, and I decided to get fresh this year. So it's perfect in our bedroom. Pre-lit, so it's really easy. And then I just added some beautiful sparkles to it. These garlands are so gorgeous. They're so simple. So you don't really have to decorate this kind of tree, like a sparse tree. I paired it with one of my cozy blankets. It wraps around the base of a tree so easily, and then you don't have to purchase anything. I like doing a lot of that around Christmas, especially because I don't want my home to become consumed with decor that I'll only use 1 month out of the year. So our Christmas bedroom is so simple. Just quick little tweaks. This tree actually comes in 3 pieces and takes 5 minutes to put together. And you know, the artwork on the TV takes about 5 minutes. And then I added a little bough of fresh juniper, clipped from the backyard and tied with some leftover ribbon.
What ones do we use?
What?
The ones that are like that.
These envelopes.
Okay, and then you put a stamp.
Yep, and then
Do I have to put a stamp?
nope.
Buddy, now you're on track.
Here, Annie, out. I just took a little bit of a stack over. I just took a stack over.
Thanks. Oh, man. You're thousands of stamps.
She works hard for the money.
Mom, did you go to the post office today if you got stamps?
I went yesterday.
Oh no, it's this pile. There's so much piles. I'm like, This one. Yep, there are some on the other side. So I would get it done quick. Oh, yeah, Annie, they can't even put those. Yeah, Annie, look at the pile now.
Oh my.